9 less talked about fat-burning foods to help you lose weight quickly. If you're ready to lose weight, eating fat-burning foods will help you reach your goals. But how do you know if you're choosing the right foods? Here are 9 less talked about fat-burning foods that will help you get closer to your weight loss goal. But before we continue with the video, if you're new to this channel, kindly take a moment to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first person to be notified when I drop a new awesome video. With that out of the way, let's get into the video. The first 9 less talked about fat-burning foods to help you lose weight is 1. Green tea. Green tea is one of the most popular fat-burning foods around. Green tea contains caffeine, which can help boost your metabolism and aid in fat burning. Plus, green tea is medicinal and rich in antioxidants that can increase your body's ability to burn calories and reduce fat. 2. Nuts. Nuts are a great snack for anyone looking to lose weight because they are high in protein and healthy fats. They also have tons of fiber, which helps you feel full and satisfied while you're eating them. Plus, they are portable and easy to bring with you on the go. 3. Spinach. Spinach is one of the most nutrient-dense foods on earth, and it's a great way to make sure you're getting your daily dose of vitamins. The leafy green vegetable is rich in iron, magnesium, and vitamins A, C, E, K, and folate. And spinach is high in fiber too. 1 cup of raw spinach contains 2 grams of fiber, which can help keep you feeling full for longer. It's also an excellent source of vitamin A for healthy skin and eyes. 4. Avocado. Avocado is one of the best fat-burning foods out there. This fruit is rich in vitamin C, which can help boost your metabolism and aid in digestion. In addition, avocados are loaded with healthy fats that will help you feel fuller longer, so you're less likely to snack on junk food. Finally, it's a great source of fiber and potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure levels and aids in muscle repair. So have some avocado toast for breakfast or add a few slices onto your salad for lunch. 5. Salmon. Salmon is a great food for weight loss because it contains omega-3 fatty acids which help reduce inflammation in the body and can boost your metabolism. Omega-3s are also important for brain health, which is important when you're trying to maintain a healthy diet. 6. Eggs. Eggs are a healthy and filling breakfast option, but they can be hard to cook in the morning. The solution: make them the night before. All you need is an egg per person, a small pot of water, a spoon, and some bowls. Crack 1 egg into each bowl, then pour your cups of boiling water over top. Let them sit for 3 to 5 minutes, then remove with a slotted spoon onto paper towels. Put them in the fridge overnight or until you're ready to eat. 7. Kale. Kale is a leafy green vegetable that is low in calories and high in fiber. It also contains vitamins A, C, and K. As a cruciferous vegetable, it is an excellent source of sulforaphane, which has been linked with anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory properties. Kale can be eaten raw or cooked and added to soups or salads for a nutrient boost. 8. Broccoli. Broccoli is not only low in calories and high in vitamins, but it has also been shown to help with fat burning. In a study conducted by researchers at the University of Padova, subjects lost an average of 2 pounds over the course of 3 weeks when they added 400 grams of broccoli into their diet per day. This is due to the high levels of glucosinolates, which have been shown to increase the body's metabolism and fat breakdown for energy. 9. Pineapple. Pineapple is a great food to include in your diet. It contains a powerful enzyme called bromelain, which aids in weight loss and digestion, as well as enzymes that are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Bromelain can also reduce the amount of fat cells you have on your body by interrupting the production of fat cells, which is important because many people carry excess weight around their midsection. Pine also boosts your metabolism, which will help you burn more calories throughout the day. Learning point from fat-burning foods. Certain foods can help you burn fat and lose weight. However, it is important to remember that fat-burning foods must be part of a healthful diet overall. Also, a person must engage in regular physical activity to burn fat and lose weight quickly. Once again, if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first person to be notified when I drop a new awesome video. Till we see again in my next awesome video, it's bye from me.